Once you do something for your headlights and upgrade these bulbs, because the halogen bulbs are no good, it's time to upgrade your turn signals. Now, your turn signals on the front end of your Prius are an incandescent bulb, which gives you a slow on, slow off, and it's not very bright. You can get something that's much brighter, has an instant on, instant off, it's LED, except sometimes you can get error codes or hyper flashing, which means it's blinking really fast. That's not what you want. Thankfully, the Morimoto XB LED turn signal bulbs are going to replace this, and no longer are you going to have any hyper flashes by converting it to an LED bulb. They have a resistor built in, and you can get a true amber color that looks so good on the front end of your vehicle. You're going to have to reach underneath your vehicle. If you have to use a jack to raise it up a bit to get underneath it, that will help you guys. There is a little Phillips screw we're going to remove and a push tab. Push this plastic piece out of the way to reach your hand up and get that turn signal bulb removed. Turn it counterclockwise, pull it away, disconnect it from your OEM connection, plug it in, and then reinstall it the exact same way your old one came out. Do the same thing on the other side. Talk about a substantial improvement in brightness out of your turn signal. The Morimoto XB bulb really does deliver probably the most performance I've seen out of any turn signal bulb. It is so bright, and one thing to notice is that it's an instant on, instant off. It's not a slow ramp up and slow dimming like the incandescent bulb your original bulb was. That was a 7440 bulb. This bulb right here is also a 7440. Make sure that you get the right bulb so when you install it, it plugs and play and you don't have to do any cutting or splicing or anything like that. Again, it's plug and play. You don't need to put in resistors. It's not gonna hyper flash. It's going to stay cooler because it's got a built-in fan. It is the absolute best when upgrading that turn signal. I know this is a quick video, but really this is what I would recommend when upgrading that turn signal on your Prius.